I just got this new little toy. It's a alarm clock that has many functions. It has a indoor temperature readout. It also can give you 2 or 3 different songs, so if you want to go to sleep you can set the timer, and if you press this you can have wind chime and songs of waves washing ashore. The LED inside would change color. This runs off 3 AAA battery. This is the wave sound. This is sort of like a elevator music sound. You can set up to an hour of this kind of sound. If you want to go to sleep, you can set it, and you can increase the level of the sound. It changes color. Cool. This is a bird chirping sound. And you can stop it altogether, or if you still can't sleep, you can start all over again.